Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by reading the violation notice carefully so you know exactly what Facebook flagged and why. Once done, copy the restriction type, duration, and any content ID into a note. This prevents confusion later. Make a screenshot showing timestamps and the support inbox entry. This is your evidence if you must escalate. If the notice mentions community standard sections, highlight them. That helps you target your appeal. Don't wait. Document everything before you change or delete related posts. You now build your appeal with clarity and evidence. Start by summarizing the exact context, what you posted, why, and who is affected, then explain why it complies with Facebook rules. Make brief, factual sentences, avoid emotional language. Attach your screenshots, post URLs, and proof of ownership or consent where relevant. Once uploaded, choose the correct violation category and submit. After submission, monitor the support inbox and email. Facebook may request more info, so respond promptly to keep the process moving. You finish by tracking outcomes and taking corrective action. If the appeal is denied, request a human review or contact business support if eligible. Persistence matters. Make any necessary edits or remove content that clearly violates rules and update your posting practices to prevent repeats. Keep a dated log of all messages and decisions so you can escalate if needed. If restoration fails, consider reposting with policy-compliant changes and document how the new version differs. One tip: clear cache or try a different device when checking status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.